Professional wound care company Daeun Medical provides the best solution for each wound with its own technique. Here are 3 main products of medical device line and how to use them. Neomucosal Activator is a wound dressing gel used on various wounds like burn, bedsore, surgical wound, and ulcer. Step 1. If the wound area is not clean, wipe or rinse the wound area with running water. Step 2. Remove the cap and twist the plunger so that you can unlock safety device. Step 3. Push the plunger several times and check if gel is releasing properly. Step 4. Slowly push the plunger and apply slightly wider than the wound. Use 2 to 3 times a day repeatedly until the wound heals completely. In osmotic pressure mechanism, the gel removes harmful substances on the wound area, so it prevents infection, helps wound healing, and eases pain. If it's deep or severe wound, apply the product repeatedly without frequency limit. This syringe type is 1 gram disposable. Remove the cap first and apply the product while pushing the plunger. Neomucosal Activator is an oral spray for stomatitis, sore throat, and hand, foot, and mouth disease. Step 1. Remove the cap and adjust the nozzle aiming at the wound area. Step 2. Spray it for 2 or 3 times. The product is made of 100% natural ingredients. It's harmless to swallow. It's fine to gargle diluted by water or hold it in your mouth for a few moments. Use 2 to 3 times a day until the symptoms disappear. Ecoshield is a spray product using osmotic pressure mechanism. It has dual effect of reducing intranasal foreign bodies and inflammation. Step 1. Blow your nose before applying. Step 2. Shake the product well and remove the cap. Adjust the nozzle angled upwards. Step 3. Insert the nozzle into a nostril. Spray 1 to 3 times. Gently wipe around your nose if the product drips after use, and blow your nose if you sneeze or get runny nose.